Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, a good deal. Make a great choice today with the 2011 Lancer. Lancer's advanced transmissions, MIVEC engines, and racing-inspired magnesium paddle shifters make every twist and turn an opportunity for fun. Combine that with 7 standard airbags and you'll see that safety and exhilaration come standard and is priced below $5,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.